Welcome to Marine Corps Base Camp Mujuk. Located near Pohang, Republic of Korea, Marine Corps Base Camp Mujuk is the only U.S. Marine Corps installation in South Korea. Camp Mujuk plays an essential role in strengthening the Marine Corps' posture in the Indo-Pacific region. The word Mujuk means invincible in the Korean language, and the installation holds an immense historical background. Around Camp Mujuk, many historical displays can be seen, showcasing the rich and diverse history that Marines have built in South Korea. Camp Mujuk was established in 1980 to assist the 3rd Marine Expeditionary Forces training deployments to the Korean theater. Camp Mujuk is home away from home for many Marines and houses a variety of permanent personnel that work tirelessly to support incoming training units. Along with supporting incoming units, Camp Mujuk works hand in hand with Republic of Korea Marines and continues to strengthen and uphold the powerful and resilient alliance with South Korea. Camp Mujuk builds upon and strengthens these important relationships, all while retaining its essential posture in the Indo-Pacific region.